Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this right here is a beautiful Backdraft Cobra. 1965 is the date on it. It is a beautiful orange. I like that burnt orange with the silver stripes. We got one hoop back here, and inside we have the powered by Ford 427. By the way, caution, hot exhaust. Let me just tell you, it is hot exhaust. Let's not hurt yourselves on that. It's got a beautiful 2 seats. Comes with the trickle charger. You gotta love that.
Yeah, black interior with the orange stitching though to match the orange paint. It's got all the chrome everywhere. Very nice. Yeah, back here you got a trickle charger.
Isn't that nice?
The trunk is actually sizable for a car this small.
Absolutely.
It's not bad. And you can see where the...
You can fit stuff and things.
Yeah, the harness is mounted back there as well.
Yes, they do. This has got a little bit of PPF action, if you can or can't tell. Jake can kind of zoom in, but it's got it right where it counts, right back here. And it's got it, obviously there's a little right here. You can feel it. You can see the seam line. It's pretty hard to see. And then you have it right up here as well. That is really important with these little cars. It really is. You don't want to pick up a rock chip on this paint because it is so nice.
Yeah, it's got a lot of flake in it. It looks absolutely gorgeous, especially with the silver stripes. Looks awesome. And
this is one of the rare ones we're driving without a blackout kit. And I actually like it.
I like it with the chrome. I think it looks good.
I do too.
Yeah, there's the iconic Ford Racing 427.
Can't beat it with the stick.
Very nice. I mean, 500 horse in a car this small, nothing to sneeze at.
24 to 2,700 pounds, roughly, give or take.
You're not going to complain about it being slow, that's for sure.
You'll never complain about this car being slow.
You ready to start it up?
I think we are.
He's doing his harness.
Well, I'm
doing the lap part.
That might be better and easier.
All right.
The proverbial flipping up the hats.
Yeah, we should probably do that.
It's important. It's important to do.
Yeah, your hat will fly off at certain speeds.
Most speeds.
Although these little quarter windows here actually do block the wind pretty well.
They do help.
As do the visors. All see-through, which is nice.
Well, you need to see.
This Backdraft currently only has 304 miles on it.
Unreal.
So it's still basically just getting broken in. Sounds good.
Yeah.
There's all your beautiful gauges. Up there's got oil pressure, we're about 60 pounds. Water temp, which obviously hasn't moved. And then you got your speedo, or sorry, your RPM gauge here, speedo here. Fuel, coolant temp, that's oil temp, and this is voltage. And then here's a switch for a fan if you want to turn it on. Not too hot today though, we might not need it.
Oh, very nice.
Very nice.
It's just smooth shifting action.
Oh yeah, this is a 5-speed, right?
That is correct, and it's a Tremec, and I just love Tremec's.
Can't get much better than that.
No, it cannot.
Also, the stripes continue on to the interior, which is cool. Not just on the outside.
It's on the inside. Oh, what a nice car.
Yeah. It's a nice day.
You know what? I was glad we got to do this. At first, we weren't sure if we could today. We had a lot of things going, but we made time. We love making time for Cobras.
Yeah, and it's like 75 degrees and partially cloudy, which is perfect.
We'll take it.
Now, you have a roll hoop. So if we roll over, you might be okay.
You'll be all right, Jake.
I don't have one. So take it easy.
We're going to be okay. I promise.
We do have a glove box over here as well, which is nice. That's an option.
Whoa.
Not all of them have the glove box. The horn is that red button, I believe, on your side. Yep, it is.
Not easy to get to, but
you got push button start, which is cool.
but there's
So you can take that out when you park it so people can't steal it.
Right.
Shut your battery off. A
Lovely.
big wooden steering wheel, which is very nice.
I like the steering wheel.
This one I don't believe is power steering.
No.
But I don't want it.
No.
The car's so light and the steering wheel's pretty big, you're never gonna notice.
I like heavy steering when you're doing something like this. This is a bit,
Yeah,
this is a car and a half.
You want to be able to feel the road and know what the car's doing, and that makes it very nice to drive.
And it is a nice, easy driver too. It really is.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, if you drive it like a moron, you're going to be, you know, hurt yourself. But if you drive it like you got them all, you're going to be okay.
Yeah.
But that's the key, not being a moron.
Yeah. Keep it within its limits, or your limits, more
Yes.
likely.
More likely it's yours, and I would definitely take, you know, if you get into a track and have a nice professional driver show you what's what, that's worthwhile money to spend.
Yeah. But it's just so nice to drive it around normal on the street.
It really is. Always wave at the officers of the law.
And they're easy to drive too.
They really are.
The 5-speed shift's smooth. It's got so much power that you're not really like having to stand on it to get around.
No.
You can cruise it normal.
Your passing gear is great.
Yeah.
There's a little bump up here. Let's just get past that.
Holy crap!
And that was only 35 miles an hour.
Yeah, that was only 35 miles an hour.
And I was easing into it the whole way. You guys heard me.
That
I
was
wasn't
like
hitting it.
30% throttle that whole time.
Oh my God, I barely touch it, but is it not fun? Oh, I love this car.
It's hard not to.
Oh, it makes you smile.
Turn the fan on since we'll be sitting here idling for a second.
That's true.
But
That's what
yeah.
the fan's for, folks.
The oil temp just starting to move. It's still not really warmed up. It's a 427, so
It takes a bit.
oil pressure's still fantastic. Coolant temp starting to come up now.
We really like to do cold starts so you guys can see it all just from the beginning. It's just a lot easier.
And then the side pipes have the ceramic coated covers,
Oh yeah.
so they really help you not burn yourself.
However, there's a good way and a bad way to get out of one.
Yeah.
I can show you how to get out of one when you're a bigger, heavier dude.
Oh, here's my mic.
Oh, I don't need this.
You kind of got to stand up first.
Yep.
And then get out.
It's easier.
You got it. You're doing great. Look at that.
Ta-da! Woohoo! I'll take the camera. They're not whisper quiet. I haven't yet to seen one of this color, so I really like it. I like orange. And yes, 427 Roush may have some more horsepower, but honestly, after 400, I don't think it matters. That's just me. You just don't have to do much to make it go. You really don't. And a Tremec, for all those people who haven't driven a manual in a while, it's probably one of the better transmissions out there. It's very easy to drive. Listen to it. It scoots. Here he comes. Going down the street. Look at all the people looking at him.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, again, you're not going to complain about it being slow.
No.
It sounds better than basically everything. And this is one of my favorite colors we've actually ever had.
I really like it. And I like the generous amount of PPF on the car.
It's super unique. It's got a lot of flake. It looks good.
Let's do it.
You ready to take it back?
Let's go.